You have 360 views. You can see this view. Look, it's a woods, anything you have in one place. And this man is also welcoming you. Look at this man. Tingle ding ding tingle.
How are you doing? Look at my friend.
Look at this 360
He's
view.
turned into woods.
You have, and this is the pass. This is the pass. This pass connects you to Haramashveli. So this, but unfortunately this time it is not accessible. Still it's closed, and you can cross this pass in August once the snow melts. Then you can hit that place. You can go, you can cross that pass then. And look at this beautiful waterfall. As I was talking about the combos, the nature combo. Wish if I could have my equipments with me.
Yeah.
I would definitely rappel on this waterfall.
Don't you think it's a dangerous one?
No, this is not a dangerous. There is nothing dangerous.
Yeah.
You need to,
Sure?
you need to, you need 2 anchor points up there on top.
Yes.
Once you have got the anchor point, then it's not that dangerous.
But I
You
believe
have the
water is too
equipments.
cold.
If you have the equipments, then
But I believe the water is too cold because it's,
the water doesn't matter. Yeah,
you have
of
to
course
put
it's a
inside.
glacier water,
I
but
believe you are a Shimshali, so you can do anything.
yeah, of course, man, you can do it. But unfortunately, we had no plan of waterfall rappelling even.
I should check that.
And there's another waterfall, a small one. Actually, we had no idea that here's a beautiful waterfall. So otherwise we could bring our full equipments or climbing equipment or gears with us to rappel on this beautiful waterfall. It's lovely, I must say. This is awesome. Look at this lush green.
At the same place.
This is worth. Wow, man. Look at that pass. Oof. That's my dream. I will do it. And most of people are stuck at home because of the COVID-19. And we got opportunity to explore. We got some free time to explore these kind of beautiful valleys. This is awesome, amazing. I have no words to explain the beauty of this place. Yeah, really. This is amazing, man. Look at this waterfall. Oof, it's too lovely, man. Made by nature. This is a natural mask for COVID-19. Look at this. This is beautiful. Mask. Chatmerk and Yazanach Nieshk.
تنقلوا في رغاز كوني ترميلا فيتكا.
Oh yeah, it's lovely. Look at this. I actually want to do yoga here.
Yeah, you can do.
I'm not sure if I can.
Yeah, you just try. Give it a try. Yeah, it's amazing. I guess you can stay like here, this for 1 day or 2 day.
Hey, é isso,